Yo, what's going on, everybody? So today we're out here on Tahitian County, and we gotta get harvesting because it's October 1st and rain's about to come. So let's get into it. So let's start up the combine here, and we did buy a farm from a farm from an auction. So, and it came with 2 cornfields. So we gotta hook up the corn header, and then a little closer, and oh, there. All right. Now if we lift that up, and then we back on out, and then we gotta get the semi, and then I think we gotta unload some things, but yeah, I think it still has some beans on it. So I think so. So we'll leave that until the very last. But we gotta get our well, you like just for what you may call it, grain cart. We're just gonna get this tractor out and running, because if we have to unload some beans, then what's the point of, well, it's like, I think a lot of beans. So once we fill up this and then fill up the combine, I think we should get it then. But then we might have to sell the beans because we don't have an auger. So let's go hook this up now. PTO in, hydraulics, there. So I think I should take this over first, because, oh, don't have our combine, but I think we should take this over first, because, I don't know, but this is also another cornfield we own, but, the delivery guy, or somebody, drove in the cornfield. Maybe it was me, maybe not, but I don't know. Alright, see you guys when we get there. Wait, no, I'm gonna record it getting there, but because it's not that far, but it's pretty far. So yeah, so I just phoned my neighbor to tell him to bring my Thermax over to us so we have a truck to drive back. But they had to go to town anyways, so his wife is gonna pick him up. So yeah, so the farm what we bought is down that way, and it came with those 2 cornfields. But we bought these 2 fields. Well, we had these 2 fields forever. So yeah. So I think it's the next. Yeah, I think it's this coming up turn, but it might be still a little bit wet, because like we had a couple inches of rain, and there's lots of puddles in at home there. And right before the rain, we cut some hay. So yeah, but if it's not too wet, I think we might try dropping some straw, and then we'll bale it with our big square baler, because that's the only baler we have right now. I think it's down this road, right? Yeah, it's down this road. But yeah, I kind of like it, or like these fields, I kind of like it because they're kind of big, and like they have good. Well, from the auctioneer, it said they have good yield in that, but we'll have to see. But always an adventure to bring this equipment down. But yeah, I'm just guessing the roads, because the auctioneer guy, he took his, like, this was when in the fall, or last year, sorry. So they took their little weed. Well, they kind of went through the trees there, because it's right across. But here, I'll turn off the hazards because we aren't on the road anymore. Turn them off, and turn this engine off because we don't need to have idling in hours. But this is one cornfield, and then over there's another one. So, yeah. Now, I'll just start walking back until he gets here. Yeah, he's not that far away, so. Let's just go walk into him. Don't mind me. Oh, there he is. What is he, drunk? But I'll go say hi to him. So his wife just came and got him, and yeah. So this is our Duramax. I kind of like it, but there is some, like, I don't really like the, like, I don't know. I like it, but I don't. I don't know. But we gotta stop up here. Is this stupid bridge? Well, you'll have to stop anyways. But anybody coming? Nope. Alright. So I'll show you guys how much power this Duramax has. It goes up. It says it goes up to 120, but it actually goes like 130. But I put like a tune on it, so it kind of goes 140, and the steering's not the best on it, so it's kind of a bad truck to drive in the high gear. Alright, let's slow her down a bit. Let's slow her down. But I like it though. Here we go, hitting a ditch. See how good driver I am? Let's get back on the road here. There we go. So it's 4 o'clock right now, and it said it's gonna start raining at midnight here. So it depends how long we're gonna take, but if we take too long, then we'll just have to wait 4 days, because that's how long the rain's gonna last. But I don't know. But now we just have to get the harvester down, and then once we have, well, I guess I have to walk back then, because neighbor's already gone to town. Unless he's back by the time, I don't know. But one thing I don't like about this truck, once you shut it off and then turn it back on, you'll have to wait until the airbags go off. And I don't know why whoever I bought it from had airbags on it, but I don't know. Or, no, I never bought it from nobody. I bought it from the shop. I don't know why the shop, or like the Chevrolet people, did that. Oh, I got to turn on the engine. Gave me a big warning. Anyways, let's put it into road gear. There we go. Alright, but yeah, this is all the hay, what we cut yesterday, or not yesterday, right before the rain. And now we gotta wait until it all dries. So, it's gonna be a long wait. Well, it's not gonna be a long wait, but it's gonna be a wait. But, because, we have to bail in November almost, because, the rain's gonna come soon. Again, and it's gonna last almost all month. So, yeah, that's kind of a bummer, but if it don't rain for a little while, I think I'm gonna cut this ditch too, because, I don't know, but I guess I should put on the hazards, even though nobody's coming, but you never know with these roads anymore, because, what was it, yesterday, my dog almost got ran over on this road, so that's kind of bad. But I'm thinking of maybe getting another combine on the little Massey Ferguson. But one combine's alright for now, because I'm the only person on this farm right now, so yeah. Oh, it's a little too dark. There we go. Don't mind the little, oh, almost hit the ditch. That's not good, but yeah, this combine, well, never struggled up last time getting up this hill, but the tractor sure did. But the last time I tried, well, like during the auction, I thought there was a longer way, so I went all the way to the main highway and all the way around, and then, yeah, so it was a longer road. But if that's kind of nice that we own this too. Wait, just hold on a second, guys. I'm gonna take a drive back here to see if there's any water in the ditch. I just want to see because from what my neighbor's saying, there was a downpour, but I don't know. It looks like nothing, but there must be something. Because yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to check it, I guess. But we got lots of tilling to do in the fall here, like after corn harvest and all that. We'll have lots of what you may call it, or like tilling, but I don't know. We're almost there. I think this combine goes faster than the tractor, but I don't know. One day it would be nice if we had like 5 workers on this farm. We had like 17 combines, because we'll be done in like a day. Because we'll have 4 combines going on corn, 4 on soybeans, 4 on wheat, and all that. But so far I only planted, so far we only got corn and soybeans. But it's just down this road here. Mommy, I don't know the words. We'll walk down to the river. Up spaghetti and cheap bottle of wine. That would suck if you rolled your combine or anything right here, because you can't really get it back because it's so steep here. But alright, let's turn on the combine, turn on the thrasher actually. Kick it out of the road gear, put the header down. Let's try her. Well, she's dropping straw, so it must be not that wet. But I don't think we should drop the first rounds of straw, because usually it's not the best. But I think we're gonna sell these corn bales, so yeah, it's pretty nice. But missing a little, but sure getting dark, or it's kind of getting dark and then it gets light again because the rain's coming. But at least we're dropping some straw. It's going 9 bushels, or it's going, I don't know, but we have, I think it's going, like, the yield's going, we're going 39 bushels an acre. 39, that's not that bad, honestly. Well, it's bad, but it's not that bad. Now we're going up to 46 bushels an acre. But I don't know. Hopefully we don't have to. Well, maybe once my neighbor gets back from town, he'll help us combine. But because if we're dropping straw, then yeah, it'll be nice to bale some. But I think he asked me to bale some with his round baler too. So we might do some for him with his round baler, but maybe he could do straighter lines than me, because right now it's going, I'm kind of curving. This is how it was seated, so yeah. Well, yeah, like right now it's super light out, but I don't know. Oh, forgot the flashers on. The hazards, whatever you want to call them. This is going to be a slow process. Too bad the neighbor didn't have any sort of combine. He just has cows. So, no kind of combine, no anything. I wish I had cows. Well, maybe if I fence this, I could maybe buy some cows and then put them on this. Who knows? Oh, I'm missing some. Wait until I get my money right. Oh, I'm missing a lot. Actually, no, that's not a lot. But I don't know. Could be a lot. Could be a lot. Who knows now? Right now it's going. Well, back here it's going 130 bushels an acre, so that's good. I know I won't get this done in time because it's already. What is it? 4 is 16, I think. 3 is 15. So it's almost. I don't know. I can't tell the army time, but we're almost quarter full. Well, we're almost half full actually. So that's actually pretty good. But I don't know. Love is a burning thing to do. It makes a fiery ring do. Bow my loudest siren do. I fell into a ring of fire. I fell into a burning ring of fire. Went down, 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 the flames went higher. And it burned, the ring of fire, the ring of fire. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 the flames went higher. Well, it burned, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire. I don't know the words. But, I think my neighbor's giving me a call right now. Hey, no, that's nothing. That's just my phone vibrating because people are texting me about, I don't know. I think we should unload here. I hate when you're trying to drive with this, and kind of jerks a bit, but we'll load the back first, I guess. Alright, gotta start this up, untarp it. And we gotta untarp, there. Now we just gotta wait, because, yeah. But if we're getting that much yield off of just the first round, like almost half full, then that's actually pretty good. I guess I should give my neighbor a call and see if he wants to run the combine for a bit. If he does, then we'll go get the baler. And then, yeah, we'll start baling. I'll give him a call. So guys, I'm back here at the farm. My neighbor, he's back, so he just drove, well, he walked out because he's that close. And, he's starting to harvest, so let's hook up that, baler. But first, well, we'll see how heavy this baler is, because I haven't really tested this Heston yet. I kind of just bought it, and then kind of just never used it yet, but hook her up, man. Let's go, put the PTO in there, hydraulics are in, pins in tight, yeah. So, how heavy is it? Well, come on. Alright. Let's put the loader like that. Let's fold her up. There. Alright. I guess put the hazards on, because this tractor has them. And see you guys at the field. Because, yeah. So we're back at the field, guys, so let's try to bale a bit. And I see my neighbor missed some. But that's alright, I guess. Put her down. Oh. I never really tested if this thing had enough power, but... Uh-oh. Might have to be switching tractors. Come on. I just realized something. This tractor has not enough horse. Well, let's try to see if... Oh. Ah, dang it. This stuff is too, thin for the square baler. Alright. I guess I'll just unhook it here. And then... I guess go get the neighbor's round baler. But I guess we should wait and... I guess we should unload him, actually. Fold her up, I guess, but let's go unload the neighbor because it's going really good, and then I guess try the round bale with his round baler, but oh, left this running. That's not good, especially for a diesel. But let's try to unload him. You are going to be difficult. You better stop. But I don't think he knows how to unload. I'll just show him here. Hey, let me get in. Okay. Can you sit in the passenger seat? Yeah, alright. Well, then we shut this off, leave the thrasher going. So we can. And then, you pull up here, see? And then, you press this button. There you go. See? There. Then, all the grain, or all the corn empties out. And then, we just wait until nothing comes out of the auger. And I should be here soon. Alright. Like that. And then press the button again. And press this button. And then you back up here if you want. And then you put the header down, start her up. And there you go again. Alright, see ya. Ah, what a nice old man. But I guess we gotta go get his, I think he said tractor, maybe baler too. Maybe he has a tractor to go with it. Who knows, because I just heard baler. But, alright, I guess we'll go get it. See you guys once we get it. Alright guys, so we got his baler and tractor because it was already hooked up. So I might actually ask him if I can buy this from him and then trade him my baler for his. Because look at it, this is a nice setup, honestly. I was looking for another tractor anyways, but oh, looks like he's full. So I guess I'll leave this right here. But how do I shut this off again? Oh yeah, pull out that lever. Alright, so that's easy. But so what was I gonna say? I forget, but I left this going again, so that must be really good for the engine. But after we unload them, we might have to go get the semi because this is already half full. So might have to do a part 2 or something, another video. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. But if not, then that's okay. Yeah, if we have to grab this, the semi, then I'll just end the video, because that's going to take a while to clean out. But yeah, guys, this is almost full, but thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.